Hi guys, it's DK388. Just doing a quick video on our sort of garden patio extension that we're planning to do. So this is the current situation that came with the house on the new build. It's a patio, is just 450 by 450 utility paving slabs. So just outside the patio, we've got 4 wide and 2 deep. And the plan is to extend it outwards to about 4 deep. So where this eco drains this step, we're going to level it off with some 100mm blocks, and then from there we're going to go about 4 deep. These 4 slabs by the eco drain need to be lifted as they've been cut, so they're the wrong size, and then we can put some new ones, so yeah, about 3 or 4 deep outwards. Now, so here we're just doing a bit of a test dig on 2 paving slabs, 2 squares basically, just to understand what sort of material we need to dig out, and also gives us an idea of how much material, hardcore, we need to put back in. So for every 2 slabs we can sort of gauge the amount of material and time we need for every 2 squares. Also, as well as gauging materials and time, we can also use it to gauge the cost per sort of pair of slabs, if you like, which will be handy for our budget. Hopefully in the next few videos we'll give you an idea and share how we go about things, what works, what doesn't work, and go into a bit more detail of how we started digging, techniques we used, and how we build up to levels from the base up to the sand and laying the paving slabs. And also hopefully at the end, the very end, we can share with you the how much we spent in materials. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.